These aren't precision, these are just general purpose tools. Hammer, 16 ounce. This is not a framing hammer. This is just a regular hammer for picture frames and stuff like that. Now, tape measure. 12 foot, you don't probably need a 25 footer starting out or anything like that. Pair of needle nose pliers. Yes, the dogs have chewed on these, but they're still good. Regular pair of pliers, just not large ones. Adjustable wrench. Pair of side cutters. Slotted screwdriver. Phillips head screwdriver, number 2. Torpedo level for hanging pictures,